Hello everyone. I wanted to share one use of Shamir's secret sharing scheme to protect a secret message by splitting it across multiple physical objects that must be in your possession to view. This could be useful for a lot of reasons. Maybe you'd like to provide the combination to a safe to the heirs of your estate in a way that requires all of them to meet together before opening. Or maybe hide an impossible to remember password to an important but infrequently used encrypted file or a cryptocurrency wallet in plain sight across several locations. To demonstrate one of these scenarios, we'll use the SSSS Mobile app for Android or iOS and some 3D printed keys that have an NFC chip embedded in them. This app lets you store your secret shares in a QR code or plain text as well, but for this scenario, we're going to use NFC tags. Okay, so first, let's think of a top secret message. If this was an actual usage, you probably want to use a long, complicated password, in which case the app will generate one for you if needed by clicking on the gear. But for now, we'll type our own message. Once the message is typed in, you will need to enter the threshold, which is just the number of shares that will be required to retrieve your message and the total number of shares. It is important to remember that the shares that you use to retrieve the message is exactly what you entered for the threshold, or you'll get an error or an incorrect message decoded. For our example, we'll require any two of the three shares available. The token is a prefix to each of the generated shares that might help you remember what the share is for. We'll put the word test for now. Now that we have all of that entered, we can click the split button and generate the shares. The longer the message is, the longer it may take to generate the shares. Once generated, you'll see all of the shares at the bottom. You'll have the option to copy them to the clipboard, or you can click the share button for more options. From here, you can email the share and a QR code to a friend or write the share to an NFC tag, which is what we want to do right now. We'll be writing each of these shares to our 3D printed keys. Once we're all done, we can go hide the keys or distribute them to whoever we want to help protect our secret message. They won't be able to see the message without the rest of the shares needed to meet the threshold, which in our case is just one other key. Okay, so let's say it's time to retrieve the message. Once you go collect all of the keys, or your trusted key holders meet up to retrieve the message. In the SSS Mobile app, there is a Combine tab for this purpose. There are options to scan a QR code, read an NFC tag, paste from the clipboard, and clear the enter tag so far. Let's scan two of the shares, combine them, and see our secret message. And there you have it, a decoded message. Let's try again with a different pair of keys. Looks good. In real life, you'll likely have something a little more useful than the message in this demonstration to keep secret. But hopefully, this gives you an idea of how the SSSS mobile app works. This app is compatible with other applications and libraries mentioned on the website that are unrelated to SSSS Mobile. So if you can't find this app for whatever reason, you have other options to combine and split messages that are still compatible with this app. Go to SSSSMobile.app for more information and links to the source code. Thanks for watching.